Well, hello!
Hello from EPCOT!
Guys, we are here taking a break from HHN. We have 2 more days on our pass holder. We're not sure if we're going to renew, but we're here anyway.
We might.
We might. Cross our fingers. And some birdie told me that there's a ride here that I must try.
But guess what? We're in the queue.
We are. We actually have, I think, 20 more spots before our turn. So
we'll keep
cross our fingers. But if you are new here, guys, don't forget to like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe.
Hello, hi, and welcome. Brian took it and he started saying his stuff first.
I know.
Oh, well.
No, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, guys. We don't even know what we're going to do. It is food and wine right now. You already went here before.
Yeah, but I didn't have, I think I had like a crepe. I think you guys saw when I had like a crepe.
Yeah. So we'll see what there is left, because there are some things I want to try.
We just said, okay, this day we're gonna go here, this day we're gonna do that, but like we never said this is what we're doing. So you guys are coming along for the ride and figuring out what we're gonna do too. Yeah,
we have no plan, like you just said. So. And
I might get the rocket.
Oh yeah, because I said, oh my God, just get it. But guys, thank you so much for stopping by and enjoy this video.
Okay, so we just got our magnets, and she said if you scan the QR code and hold the magnet up, it's a key. So
and orange bird is on.
So we just bought plates, and go figure, Disney has plates. And they're like not even that much more than what we paid per plate. Those are cool too. And those are $40 for 4 plates, so $10 a plate. They even have a soap dispenser, a frame, like, that's curve.
look at, they have a tray.
I know. And it actually would match the plates we just bought. Oh, they have bowls too. And they are $44.99. Son of a... And then they have silverware. We literally just bought all this stuff. And then now we get hit with the Halloween stuff. They have the plushes. With Mickey. Where's Minnie? She's on the other side, Amber says. Go over there. Oh, she's a kitty. So we were sitting there traveling, and Echo was getting an attitude. And she's like, rawr. But that's Minnie. 30 bucks. Oh my God. Maybe I should have gone here, because now they even have a pumpkin Mickey and a ghost Mickey. That's crazy. They even have a placemat. Trick or treat. I owe you one? I didn't break it. TSA broke it. TSA broke it. Oh, they have... Oh. Remember that time you broke that cookie jar? Everyone heard it. It's on YouTube. Oh, here's Peter Pan. Ooh, look at the Loungefly. The Loungefly looks pretty cool.
Oh, stop. You like this one?
I don't know. It's kind of cool. And that's Peter Pan, or Peter Pan Mickey. That's cool. So when Amber worked at Pirates, she wanted nothing but Pirates. Now that she worked at Peter Pan Small World, she wants nothing but that stuff. Can you keep looking at me? Because I don't want you to look across the way.
I'm gonna go get Rocket.
No, it's something different.
Well, I'm going.
This is what I didn't want her to see.
I think I saw this. I don't remember if I did. Like he's 27.
$27, and it's Groot.
I don't know.
And there's Rocket.
I'm ready.
So That's gonna be the thumbnail. Well, we just got done with Guardians.
Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. We got Gloria Stefan.
Yeah, you kind of like didn't tell me anything about the ride. I didn't want to know, but holy crap.
I loved it even more so this second time.
Yeah, it's amazing how when you ride a ride without recording it, it's so much more funner. No offense.
I probably got blurry stuff from last video, but we didn't record this time because we wanted to enjoy it more so.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll record it another time.
Yeah, because we got a low light camera now, so it kind of pick up some of the things. But like, yeah, I was just like blown away, like, whoa, woo.
Yeah, he's pointing and stuff, and you can hear me cheering and wooing. Then everybody else kind of went along with everybody else, like cheering and all that stuff. So it was pretty fun.
I think the only thing I would say though, it's the best ride on Disney property. I know it's going to spark some controversy, but it's not better than Pirates.
It's high up on my list with Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
Yeah.
So like those two right now are like my current favorites.
No, I think this was funner. It's shorter, but I wish it was longer. But it's
like even like 15 more seconds. Like, but it's great. I love this ride so much. So make sure you have a reservation. 7 in the morning. So 7 o'clock in the morning. If you have a reservation here, you can try to reserve a spot and get in the virtual queue. If not, and you're in the park at 1 p.m., then you can try to get another virtual queue then too.
Right. Yeah.
But you have to be in the park at 1.
Now, what they were showing too was that you could get the genie, the lightning quick coin,
Yeah.
whatever it's called.
I was like 15 bucks for us.
Yeah.
15, 17 bucks.
We didn't do that, so.
No, we might do it.
Let's see if we can ride it again.
Yeah. Maybe before we leave. We don't know.
But yeah, we don't know. We're not sure what we're gonna do now. We do have a. We gotta go to Remy's. I want to ride Remy's again.
Okay.
And then yeah, go from there.
Maybe get a snack. We don't know.
I don't know. But comment down below if you guys rode the ride, because I want to know what your guys' experiences was.
Yeah. Or what song did you guys get?
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right, we're headed into Club Cool. Yeah, it's brand new. Oh, you still get to do this samplings. Hello. So.
Just regular, and then you get like a 50.
Oh, that's cool. So if you are into collecting Coca-Cola cans, they do have the 50th anniversary. They have blue, yellow, and pink. They still have it where you can sample different tastes. Amber really likes the Beverly. She shakes her head, but we all know she likes it. So what'd you get? Okay. Which one is this? Oh, it's pineapple.
Watermelon.
Let's try it. Tastes like cough syrup.
Russia.
Okay. What is it? Ew. No. That's cough syrup. You poker face. Amber's gonna cleanse her palate, drinking Beverly. Why? Why would you do that? Why?
Here.
That's mean.
I know, it was mean.
She got me. Oh wow. It's a Spirit jersey, but then nothing's on the back. Oh, they got like, this has been needed yesterday. Oh, and it's light? $60. They got the same candies. They have floats. We used to go to downtown. Oh, I'm sorry, Disney Springs.
Frozen beverages. They have lemonade, punch, blue raspberry, and orange.
Oh, oh yeah. And then remember when we used to sit over there and take all the shots of like the slushies? Yeah.
She's like, you're not busy. Here, try this.
Oh, they got
like try this and then try this.
I gotta get one. They have a minute mead.
Me.
I've never ever.
This is Minute Maid from Korea.
No, I can tell by your face.
No, this one actually, it hits you a little bit different. Right.
Let me see.
It's like, it hits you and then it's like, okay,
Yeah, that's true. The first taste was weird.
yeah. And this is Dominican Republic.
Nope, I can tell by your face. I'm not trying it.
No, try it.
Nope. No. That's like the Beverly, but like,
Sweeter.
yeah.
That's disgusting.
Yeah. Guys, stay hydrated.
Public service announcement given by Liqueur Travel Ventures.
We went to Canada, and what did you get, Brian?
I got the filet. Looks like there might be a mustard sauce on it. I didn't get the thing with it, but.
Then I got the cheddar and bacon stew.
And it comes with a yeah. I hope I don't need a knife. Yeah, I need a knife. Oh well.
Alright.
When in Rome.
Is it good?
That's not mustard. But it's really good.
Is it horseradish?
No, it's not spicy either. Oh no. It's not bad though.
Bon appetit.
So, how's the soup? Is it cold or hot?
It's really hot. It's good.
So it's gonna make you hotter than what you already are. Like, hot.
It's really good. Wanna try it?
No, I pass. But I will say that that filet was tender, but wasn't like tender.
I'm just trying to face you. Because I'm eating.
I know. And that's her soup. Well, bon appetit.
Okay, Brian went to Ireland and got...
Which time? I'm kidding. I've been to Ireland before. Got the warm pudding, chocolate pudding with liqueur. Wow.
Is it the liqueur inside?
It's on top. That's what the gray stuff is.
Keep moving.
Oh, I'm sorry. I wonder if it opens up.
Try it. Is that what it looks like? Ooh. Try it.
It tastes like that dessert that I made.
Does it?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
It is super sweet though.
Yeah. It's super hot.
Yeah. But that's close up. It's really good. Really rich.
So we're still trying to head over to Remy's Ratatouille. The ride. We'll get there.
Well, when you shot this, I was like, that looks delicious, and I couldn't remember where it was. And now I found it. So.
Here we go.
Well, we are back in the car.
It's a hot one.
Yeah.
So you are going to hear the AC because it's hot.
Yeah. Rise of the Resistance, Guardians of the Galaxy.
Cosmic Rewind was freaking amazing.
Yeah, we did ride Remy's. It's a cool ride for kids. It's a cool ride for kids. I'm not a big fan of it, but that's not negative. I'm just not a big fan.
And not after we literally just got off Guardians
True.
and then went to Ride 2. We're like, eh.
Yeah. This is going to be like maybe a part 1, maybe of EPCOT. We probably do a part pop.
Yeah, there might be some videos here and there. We don't know how we're going to part them yet.
No.
So we may say hi in some, may say bye in some and forget, or just forget in general.
Right. The warm pudding in Ireland was really good.
It was hot.
Yeah, it was really hot. The filet was tender, was good. You said your cheddar soup
I like the cheddar soup all the time. I always get that.
But yeah, it was pretty good. We were going to have to probably do the other side of Food and Wine. Just
Another day, yeah.
Yeah. This is really heavy. It's a new camera.
It's just really packed because we came like on a holiday weekend.
Yeah. But we're on our way to HHN for the second night. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. But if you made this far, guys, thank you so much. Thanks for stopping by.
Subscribe.
Yes, please.
Share with your family and friends.
We're really starting to build. Oops, sorry. I honked the horn. We are getting close to. We're just building a really awesome community, guys, and we can only thank you for it.
And we really want you to participate not only in the Robert videos. We did ask for permission from Robert, so you don't need to comment. That's totally okay. You can comment something else. We just want to let you know, hey, we already asked him. That's why we filmed it.
Yeah.
We like seeing comments in all the videos actually, and we want to get to know you guys a lot.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, we're just like, we're really excited how much our channel is growing. But guys, thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.